So friends, welcome to Sky Crypto channel. In this video, I will share you latest important updates about Cat in the Dogsverse, its price prediction 2025, and is Binance Exchange listing there when we can see its listing on Binance Exchange. Is it possible that we can see its listing on Binance Exchange in just coming few weeks here or not? Just like Popcat is already listed on Binance Exchange. So is this meme coin has potential to be the second Cathy meme coin listing on Binance or not? So it is be very special, very important. You have to just for the company here. But friend, before that, if you like my content and if you want to support Sky Crypto channel, then I provide you these all my crypto addresses, links in description. Also on my Telegram channel, you have to just join my Telegram channel, link in description. Then you can click here and pin message. Okay, here and pin message, you can get these addresses. You can support Sky Crypto channel with BNB, Ethereum, Tron, and Solana, USDT, or any other cryptos. So France Mucoin current price $0.0076 and its last 30 days performance is not good. Prices jumped by 32% in last 30 days, 16% in last 14 days, 16% in last 7 days. But friends, this jump is good for us. That is very potentially strong meme coin and we can buy this meme coin under $1 billion market. So this is awesome. You can see $680 million market already. This is already amazing market. This is huge market, but still Binance listing left, maybe Coinbase listing is left. So if it's possible that we can see its listing in future on Binance, Coinbase, and many other major central exchanges, then definitely this market cap can goes in $1 billion, multiple $1 billion here. And because this is new meme coin, okay, we're going to fast this first bullet. Okay, no new means not launched few days or few months ago, but going to fast this first bullet. No like Shiba Inu or Baby Dogecoin that was also in previous bull run, but this is fresh meme coin. Okay, new meme coin going to fast its first bull run in next year with Getty meme coin. So this is awesome. $57.8 million trading volume in last 24 hours, 88 billion coin supply, all in circulation. So this is awesome, friends. Performance from this meme coin is awesome. And we are only 40%, okay, just 40% down this all time high. That was 29 days ago. And its all-time low was 9 months ago, where from we are 700% up here. Coin is already killed 1-0 since its launching, so performance is good. And friends, like you see, Bybit has listed a bit best like exchange in South Korea has also listed this coin. MEXC has listed, BingX has listed, Bioeconomy has listed. So many central exchanges has already list this coin, friends, and still the Coinbase listing is left, friends. I can see a major central exchange Kraken has also list this coin. So this I think very awesome performance from this meme coin, and Shimla has also list this coin and other massive listings for this coin. But still there's no Binance yet, there's no Coinbase yet. So I think these two central exchanges will definitely list this coin, because friends already many other major centralized exchanges has list this coin. So definitely in coming few maybe weeks or in coming few days we can see massive high for meme coins again, and this meme coin has potential to be the next listing for Binance exchange because already $680 million market. So this is huge, more than $50 billion trading volume in last 24 hours. So this is awesome. So it's possible that we can see its listing on both central exchanges. And just my price prediction about this meme coin is that as this current market cap is $6 million around, but I think this meme coin has potential to be the next $30 billion market cap meme coin here. Still, this meme coin has I think 50x potential here, and this meme coin can reach maybe up to $30 billion market cap in next year mega balloon. Because as I already told you, this meme coin is no too old meme coin going to fast its first mega balloon next year, and next year's super cycle balloon. This meme coin has potential to be the next $1 billion market meme coin, $30 billion market next year mega balloon. This is my own price prediction, and I'm already holding this meme coin. I buy this meme coin around $200 million market when I first shared this meme coin with you on this channel. And right now we are already 3x here, but I still not sell any my Mu coin. I'm going to hold this coin for next year mega balloon. And friends, what's your price prediction about this meme coin? Do you think this meme coin has potential to reach $30 billion market cap in next year mega balloon or not? You can must comment down below.